run into us. They knew we were there. And we have their...
Hi. We're just reporting this truck. We're following it right now. They almost hit us. We're in now. Yes. PNR.
Yes, it's
Yes.
Alberta.
It's Alberta plate, yeah.
We're going to keep following them.
Not to follow. Okay, sure, yeah.
Okay.
White. It's a Dodge Ram, right? babe?
Yes, Dodge Ram.
Yeah, Dodge Ram.
4-door, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't a very distinctive truck, if that's what you're asking. It didn't have any accessories or anything. No, nothing got it. It was just a plain white truck. The driver was a taller guy with blondie hair. Short blonde hair. Like kind of blondie red. I'd say about mid-40s. I do know that he saw us, like when he went to pull out, he put his signal on, he swerved towards us, looked in the mirror and swerved back, but then he just cranked the wheel hard and cut right into us, and I had to lock up the brakes for like 15 feet and the cars behind almost hit us. We're fine, but it missed by inches.
Yeah. It's just so scary.
No, he didn't seem to be swerving prior to that or after that. It was very deliberate.